Guys, so before we get into this vlog, I just want to take this time to shout out one of my subscribers. She commented on one of my videos and she asked me to shout her out because she's a big subscriber and she has been supporting me. So I want to take this time to shout out Kyla. I think I'm pronouncing her name correctly. Kyla or Kylar, I'm not so sure, but I'll insert it right here on the screen. She is from the Philippines and I just want to say, you know, thank you very much. Thanks for the support, love you. And you also commented that it was going to be your birthday soon, so I'm not sure if your birthday is gone, but in case, you know, happy belated birthday. If it's not yet gone, then happy birthday when it comes. So just want to wish you happy birthday. I hope you enjoy or have enjoyed it. So yeah, happy birthday to you. I wanna say happy birthday to you. I wanna say happy birthday to you. I wanna say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday and thanks again so much for supporting my channel. Love you. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakir and I do lifestyle vlogs. So guys, it is Tuesday. I almost forgot it today. Yeah, so it's Tuesday and I'm starting off this vlog. I should have started this vlog from yesterday. I think I tried to start this vlog yesterday, but never worked out. But yeah, today is sports day. Well, this week is supposed to be sports week because of the rain. Last term our sports was put off, so we did our mini sports yesterday, which is like the throws and so on, and then we're continuing today. So I'm in Red House, by the way, Bolt. Yeah, I think right now we're in second place. We're in second place, so don't know how that's gonna work out for today, but we'll see what happens at the end of the week, at the end of the day. But yes, this is like a week in my life. As I said, I was supposed to start from yesterday. That did not work, so we're gonna start this week on a Tuesday. Let's pretend the week starts on a Tuesday, okay? Right. So yeah, this is the fit. Let me show y'all the fit. So I'm just wearing this red blouse. Actually have bolts on the back. And then my shirt that actually has my name on it. Well, the front part that actually has the name on it. So it has Bailey on it. And then this, what do you call them, jeans? Cargo jeans. Yeah. And I have on my white Adidas. And, oh, wait. I have to carry my hat. So I don't have a red hat and I have a white hat, but I don't think that's gonna shade me enough. So I went for the big hat. Man, yeah. I would prefer if it was white or red. So, you know, go with the fit. But I prefer this. And I have my glasses in my bag. So yeah. I have my glasses in my bag, so my glasses will keep off the sun out of my eye. The braid kind of make the hat hard to go on, but it shades what it's supposed to shade. Cool. So yeah, carrying this, and then I'll have my knapsack on my back. So yeah, we'll see how today goes, guys.
MT, you made this?
about to have a good day. No matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me. Birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day. In every single way. God who made the universe knows me by my name. So it's a good day. Baby in my arms, walking through the neighborhood, living in the present, not what it shoulda or could. I remember back when I was low as a rug. Now I'm standing up, look at what my father does, turning all things new. Gray skies blue. Hear the church saying, won't he do it? I know he's got my back. That's why I'm singing that I'm about to have a good day. No matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me. Birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day. In every single way. God who made the universe knows me by my name. It's a good day, no it's great. Everything I prayed for didn't come in late. I got all I need and I didn't have to wait. Ask me if you love me, you didn't hesitate. Turning all things new, gray skies blue. Hear the church saying, won't he do it? I know he's got my back. That's why I'm singing that I'm about to have a good day. No matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me. Birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day.
And I